Today I've got an unboxing of a Artiss Furnishings massage office chair. Model number MOC 09M 2PBK. This was purchased off eBay Australia for around about $115 AUD, including freight. So for a relatively cheap leather office chair with an apparent massage function, I was definitely willing to check that out. The actual layout of the screws is pretty easy and simple to follow. The instruction kit was pretty simple, but pretty spot on with what it needed to be, which I'll just show you that in a second. And I'll bring that up to the camera so we can actually see it. But I believe IKEA should learn from these guys on how to actually make an instruction set that's simple and easy to follow. Granted, in the video here, this is the second time I'm putting together one of these chairs. Bought two of them. But the instructions are very simple and easy to follow. The difference in price between the massage version and then just the standard office chair, I think was around $5 to $10, which at the time it was a bit of a gamble. Being a $10 massage function on a chair, is it really going to be that good? In short, it's not very great. Basically, your mobile phone vibrating particular patterns, times that by about 6 and put it on your back, that's what you're going to experience with the massage side of this. So there's no moving parts or anything, it's just a few vibrating motors inside the leather chair. I did also find it a bonus that the screw set also came with an Allen key to assemble it, so you don't require any extra tools to be able to assemble this chair, which is definitely a bonus. So the massage function itself is powered by 5 volt, essentially 5 volt connection, which includes a 5 volt DC jack to USB, so you could run it off a power bank, off your laptop. Pretty much swivels effortlessly, there's no drama there. The padding on the arms isn't too bad. I wouldn't say it's extremely padded, but it's perfectly fine to rest your elbows on. The tilt function of it is pretty good. The biggest complaint that I've got is the lock-in lever is a bit too far underneath the seat. You can't easily reach without leaning down, so that is a bit of a disappointment. And the gas strut works on a perfectly good height, perfectly acceptable for the price. So typically, when I was looking online, these look very similar to what would be classified as a gamer chair, except it didn't have the flash to it. The particular eBay seller also had another variety of chair, which included massage and a heating function. Pretty much I'm happy that I didn't go with that path. I probably didn't have to go the massage path for an extra $5 at the time, $5–10, it was worthwhile for the gamble. If I was to buy it again, I'll just buy it as a plain office chair with no extra functions. But if you're sitting there on your old timber chair or a donated little old office chair that costs $5 and you want an upgrade to something a bit more padded, a bit more comfy, this might very well be worthwhile checking out. And I'll catch you later.